tried to go. Well, they just didn't know the danger. Waiting in the town in the swamp where the people are strange. They got a backyard full of woolly goose. They got quicksand in the swimming pools. And they all go crazy on the voodoo brew and they jump into the barbecue. I snuck down to the swamp just to see the show. I took one peek in the window and I didn't want to see no more. I felt a cold hand on my shoulder. I said, well, I guess it's time to go. I stuck down yonder in the swamp where the answer is no. Well, they put me in the yard with the woolly goose and they made me swim in the quicksand pools and they got me crazy on the voodoo brew and they threw me into the barbecue. There's a grave down yonder in the swamp that's empty now. That's where they put me when they thought I was done, but I must have crawled out somehow. I kept on crawling all night long till I woke up beneath my bed. Got away from the house in the swamp in the back of my head. I'll be damned, I was dreaming. I'm going to go outside here and get some fresh air. Hey, who's that running around my backyard? Hey, get out of my barbecue! There you goes. There you goes.